You know what? I'm gonna go that way. I'm gonna take the long way. Cause I'm finna give me something to eat. 20 sticker. That baby spinning like a cat. Oh, I can't wait till I get a cat. Now the cat be on dry pavement.
Damage.
Everybody wanna be hard. Wanna be gangster. Everybody wanna get a gun. Call them trigger finger. Y'all niggas too soft. Can't be real. Everybody wanna switch up. When they can't eat off your grill. Sitting at home doing nothing. Niggas be chillin' and vibing. Riding in my car ain't stunning. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just be getting that bad.
Everybody watching this video right now, follow me on Instagram. I appreciate it. Enjoy the video. Kari Crew. What it do, man? It's your boy Kari Beats back with another POV, as y'all can see. But hey, man, I just thought about it. I just put some gas in the live. Y'all like, hey, bro, I haven't gave y'all a nighttime POV in so long. And it's wet outside. I don't know if y'all can. Dang, I probably can't see the raindrop, but it's wet outside, man. So make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from your boy. And hey, man, we finna just get straight into this night POV, man. I'm finna, you know, slide in traffic a little bit, man. You know what I'm saying? Just sliding through traffic with the rain, you feel me? Get wet outside, the ground wet. You know what I'm saying? So make sure y'all hit that like button, like I said. And if y'all new, man, hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Kari Crew, you feel me? Make sure you hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. And also why I keep telling y'all to like the video, bro, because the more y'all like the video, the more YouTube pushes it out to get the new viewers, you know what I'm saying? So we can get that 10K and 15K and 20K, you know what I'm saying? So on and so forth, Kari Crew, man. I'm telling y'all, bro, we gonna make it. We gonna make it, Kari Crew. All y'all here before 10K, y'all real, man. Y'all stay solid, stay down, keep watching the video. You just watching the video helps, bro. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, we're finna get to the video. Y'all see I'm in custom mode, ain't nothing too crazy. I'm gonna put traction in sport, you feel me? I'm gonna put traction in sport, something cool, something slight. I got my window all the way down, holding the camera recording. I probably should let my windows up just a tad bit, about like that. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, do both of them about like that. Yeah, that cool. That cool, car? Yeah, that cool. Yeah. So like it's still kind of giving me a little, you know what I'm saying? Give me a little something to work with. I got my daytime running lights on too for the first time, you know what I mean? Let me see, hold on. I got my daytime running lights on too. I just turned them back on, but I never turn them on. But they on right now and they stupid bright, you know what I'm saying? They look good though, but they stupid bright, bro. Well, Kari Crew, man, y'all got a comment down below. Comment down below, man, on the video. Just let me know that you watched it, you know what I'm saying? Drop an emoji. Let me know, you know what I'm saying, what videos you like to see, you know what I'm saying? All that, man. Y'all saw that, man. Ew. Olivia getting wicked on them boys, man. Ooh, the pop's kind of scared me. I wasn't expecting it. I turned my headlights on, man, get on the dark, you know? But yeah, she was spinning for sure. Y'all seen how that bit kick out a little bit. And I wasn't even flooring there, bro. I was just chilling. Y'all hear that though? Somebody ain't got their lights on. Y'all let me know how they look. I gotta sit back. I'm tripping. Y'all let me know how they look though. Ooh. Boy, man, I ain't gonna lie, man. I can't wait till I get me a cat, Kari Crew. Kari Crew, y'all gotta get me past 10K, bro. The more we go up, bro, the more we go up, bro, the quicker I can get a cat, bro. I'm telling you. Ooh. I heard that. The traction had cut on because it's in sport. Now, if it was in track or traction all the way off, oh, that bit would have got crazy. I was ready for it to get crazy though. You know what I'm saying? I've been doing it so long in my whip, bro. Like, I know it, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I just know what it spit. Oh, I hear them boys. Kari Crew. But that dude is driving with no lights on in the middle of the dark. Like, it's dark. But y'all let me know if y'all rock the night POV. I know it's kind of different. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see what's going on. But you know, or I can ride the light on, but then the light kind of be, you know what I'm saying? The light kind of kill the vibe. You feel me? Light kind of kill the vibe a little bit. But yeah, man, y'all see what's going on, man. Gotta hit a down shit, man. You know what? I'm gonna go that way. I'm gonna take the long way. Cause I'm finna give me something to eat. 20 sticker. That bitch be spinning like a cat. Oh, I can't wait till I get a cat. Now the cat be on dry pavement. Cat be just like this, bro, on dry pavement. That bitch was spinning in, but it was going in a straight line that time. Car crew, man, I love doing this, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I just love cars, bro. Like, you get a tow truck. I would slide that bit right here, but I ain't gonna do it. It'd be hot over that way. That truck is obnoxiously loud. Goodness gracious. Bro, only been 5 minutes, bro. That's crazy. But Car, I don't know if it's gonna be a short video or not. Cause what time it is, bro? Dang. I think the place I want something to eat from finna close anyway. That's crazy. I mean, it's right there. Place like right down the street right here. Like, it's literally less than a mile away. But, dang. I don't know, car crew. We gonna see. I might take y'all with me to the drive-thru. I don't know. They close at 9, I believe. 8:45. Yeah, 8:45, man. That truck killing my vibe, man. I can't even hear my car for real. Oh, they got a green Charger over there. Oh, and the line long, bro. That junk dead. That junk so dead. That line, look how long that line is, bro. That's a cat. Oh, that was a cat. Oh my goodness. That was a cat, bro. Chatty cat. That bitch was orange. I'm gonna give me a Hellcat, bro. I'm glad I saw that. I'm gonna get one though. I'm gonna give me a cat car crew, man. Just wait on it, bro. Y'all boys just like the video. Get these videos to 100 likes, at least every video, bro. 100 likes, bro. And also, man, get your boy to 10K, then 11K, then 12K. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, bro, the higher we go, just watch, bro. I'm gonna get a cat like that. Y'all boys gonna be like, dang, how that boy do that, bro? Just watch the video, bro. It's free. It's free, car crew. It's free, bro, to watch the video, bro. I appreciate y'all that do watch the video, but I'm just saying, bro, it's free, bro. Rock with your boy, man. I need to turn around, too. I should have turned in the gas station. But yeah, man, y'all rock with your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? Sliding in traffic in the rain. Lord. Should I hit that bit in a second? Woohoo! That bit kicked out too, y'all. I can't really show y'all for real. I gotta turn around. Oh, I can just do this. Right there, man. Go, bit. Bro, I'm so smooth with it in that car crew, bro. That's why I love when it rain, bro. Cause you can just spin that bit anytime effortlessly, bro. And traction on. Traction on sport. I got it in automatic, you know what I'm saying? Come on, bro. Niggas ain't got the throttle like me, man. You know what I'm saying? My wheel game getting there, but hey, niggas ain't got the throttle like me, man. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully y'all kinda saw some of that. I don't be trying to point the camera down. It's just a habit, like I hold myself up with my elbow while I'm driving, when I'm doing it. You know what I'm saying? So y'all excuse me, pardon me. I should have tapped that bit right here, but I know them boys be right here. I can't even do it. I get a little baby pull though. Got a little baby pull. Hey man, I don't know what I want to eat. yeah, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Just a slight little POV, man. In the rain, man. You know what I'm saying? In the rain with it. You know what I'm saying? Playing no game with it. Singing like on T-Pain in it, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know how my car sound, man. Does she sound alright, man? Does she sound alright, man? She sound pretty good? My car sound pretty good, man? Oh my Lord, y'all hear that echo? Listen. Oh my goodness, bro. I don't know if y'all can hear that. That echo is crazy. Bro, that echo is stupid. But yeah, man. That's what's going on, man. Something slight, man. Something slight, man. Yeah, y'all let me know y'all want more night POV. I like driving at night anyway, bro, because it's a vibe and it's not that hot. You know what I'm saying? You roll the window down, you ain't gotta be whatever, you feel me? Traffic a little bit smaller. You know, I know it's a little dark, but you feel me? But you know, hey, you know what I'm saying? I can brighten up the camera a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But then it can't be looking funny. But yeah, man. Y'all see how we coming, man. Something slight. I know the quality ain't the best. I should have put it in 4K. I don't have it in 4K. I got it in like HD. Should have put it in 4K, but you know what I'm saying? My apologies, man. We here not, man. You know what I'm saying? We grinding, we working. Why are they still on the break? Bro, what are y'all doing? The light been green, bro. Dang, what the boys out here? I don't even know what I want to eat, man. I'm just driving at that point, car crew. I just roll through some water, let it roll off. But yeah, man. And I ain't gonna lie, that downshift do help you slow down, but that is a true fact. Y'all didn't believe it. Downshifting do help you slow down, especially if you already got your foot resting on the brake, but you ain't really pressing it for real, but you're resting on it to where the light come on, and you downshift. Yeah, it help. Little tip, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's probably gonna be a wrap, man, for this video. Just something slight, man. I really just came out to put some gas on the wood, man, for the day and catch a video with y'all boy, man. Tap in with y'all boy. Y'all boy watch the last video, man. I know it ain't a POV, you know what I'm saying, but it's like another side of, you know what I'm saying, car. You feel me? Like just when I be, you know what I'm saying, hanging out with the folks that be outside, when they do be outside, you know what I'm saying, what be going on, what kind of whips we got, man. You know what I'm saying? We got some heat out here now. You know what I'm saying? We got a little heat around this mother, man. But hey, man, more videos to come, car crew, man. Y'all just make sure y'all hit that like button, man. If you're new or if you're not new. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, my boy or girl. Hit the subscribe button, man. You know what I'm saying? We're going crazy all summer. You feel me? We're going crazy all summer. Hellcat 2023. Comment down below, Hellcat 2023. You know what I'm saying? Hellcat Kari 2023, bro. That is a puddle of water that this car finna go through. That's crazy. Oh, it ain't that big. I thought it was deep. I was gonna say, bro, that's crazy. But yeah, man. We're gonna do that. Comment down below, man. Hellcat Kari 2023. You feel me? We're gonna get there. Manifestation is everything, man. Manifestation and work ethic. My work ethic is posting these videos as many times as I can. You know what I'm saying? Stand on my grind. You feel me? So y'all boy, make sure y'all subscribe and get your boy to 10K, man. I ain't gonna talk your head off too much. Like I was saying at the end of my video, you got a goal you're trying to achieve, any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone. Do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit and you can touch it, car crew. And also, man, like I say for my religious folk, keep God first. Keep him in the mix, man. Say your prayers, you feel me? And you always just, you know what I'm saying, honor him, man. For his grace, you feel me? But yeah, man. Like I also say, in all my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Yeah.